In this video, we'll be going over how to connect your Gmail or Outlook to Shape. Once you connect your Gmail or Outlook, all manually sent messages will route through this email connection. Additionally, Shape's calendar will sync with your email calendar according to the preferences you select in the profile settings. To get this set up, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. You can get there a couple of different ways. First, you'll click on your name in the top right-hand corner and select Profile. Or you can click on Settings and My Profile Settings in the top right-hand corner. Once there, you'll click on this tab that says Email Settings. You'll then select the connection you'd like to make. You can do bidirectionally, where both Shape and your Gmail or Outlook update each other, or a one-way sync from the CRM to calendar only, or from the email calendar to Shape. For today, we're going to do a bidirectional connection. You'll then click Sign in with Google or Sign in with Outlook. It'll take you here where you can choose the account that you want to connect. You'll then need to allow. And now it's connected. Once you go to your agenda and calendar, you can select Manual Sync with Calendar. And you'll notice that now you can see the appointments that were made in your Gmail or Outlook calendar. If you were to add anything to your Shape calendar, those would then be added to your Gmail or Outlook calendar as well, if you chose that bidirectional connection. If you have any questions regarding Gmail or Outlook connection, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.